Hey everybody, today's science snack is a little bit different because there are no actual snacks and there's no actual Max. So I'm sorry, I know. What are you even doing, Miss Kipling? But I wanted to share the super cool website with you so you can explore some of the things we started to learn about in our science snacks yesterday and the day before about how light bends depending on the material it is traveling through. So here is a laser pointer. You can turn it on by pressing the red button. You can move it around and change the angle it's striking the other material right here. And you can see over here, you can make it a ray, or you can also make it a wave. So I like to use the ray because it helps me to see the angle that it's reflecting, and it also helps me see the angle it's refracting, which remember means bend. And up here on the top, you can change the material if you want. You can change it to water, to glass, to a mystery material A or B. And on the bottom, you can do the same. So play around changing the materials, moving the laser pointer around, see what happens. If it's the same material, what do you notice? The top and the bottom are the same material. And if they're different materials, what do you notice? So check it out. That's one of the tools that you can use on here. You can also click down here to prisms. Okay, so this one's really cool because you can actually add a lot of different objects and see how the light from the laser interacts with all of the objects. I'm going to change it here to, you see there's one option where it's just one steady ray of light. This one has 5. I'm going to use that. And what I want you to try first, you can play around with this as much as you want, add as many of these items and see what you can do with the light. It can get kind of crazy and out of control pretty quick. But before you get started, I want you to try out these 2 lenses. This is called a convex lens, and this is called a concave lens. You've probably heard the word lens before. Lens is the name of a part of your eye. You've got lenses if you wear glasses. There's lenses in a microscope, in a camera, in a magnifying glass. So these objects are lenses as well, or they're acting like lenses in this model. So I want you to notice what happens with the light when it goes through the convex lens and what happens with the light when it goes through the concave lens. So play around with that, and then you can just kind of have fun adding whatever other objects you would like. Combine them if you want. You can really have fun here, and you can actually rotate these objects around to make the light bounce every which way. So something fun that you could do is give yourself a target. Like you could say, okay, I want to try to make the light hit the little orange button in the corner, and you can arrange these objects until they do. So yeah, have fun with these. These are meant to be glass in this model. Check it out. You can also change your environment if you want to. So right now it's air. You can change it to water and see how the light how the bending of the light changes. You could also change it to glass, which is the same material as the objects. What do you notice there? So have fun, play around with all the little tools, and yeah, see what you can make the light do. And then the last one just says more tools. I haven't played with this one too much, but you can experiment with it if you want to. I would say this is fun for a second or two. The prisms one, you could really spend a lot of time playing in, and you could even like change the color of the light and have a great time. Enjoy playing around with these, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.